Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha on Monday, Nontle'S battles against tradition and personal grief, determined to make Gqeberha pay. Stokey's passion of mixology leads him down a dangerous path of temptation. On Tuesday, as things get shaky between Nontle'S and Gqeberha guessed his needs met elsewhere. Msimelelo lays down the law with Nontle'S and Sonwabile. Stokey wants the best of both worlds. On Wednesday, Nontle'S tries to deal with a huge loss she is suffered, but her other worried concern the survival of her relationship. Funeka convinces her husband to see things away. On Thursday, Nontle'S makes Sonwabile an offer he cannot turn down. Is Gqeberha too late to save his son? On Friday, Gqeberha manages to put an end to the nightmare that's been hovering over his family. Nontle'S love for Sonwabile clouds her from reality. Thank you for watching.